Mose tinamate Mwari, uyai Mose tinamate Mwari, uyai Mose tinamate Mwari, uyai Mose zvino.
Right, Mhuri YeZimbabwe, ndofunga muri kuona tese tiri kuziva kuti nhasi birthday rababa Guti. Pane zvikuitika, pane mafariro nemapemberero aita vanhu vekuZayoja. Aiwa zvamaita zvinodadisa. Kana uriwe mumwe wekuZayoja waona this video, ndokumbira uise like necomment kuti happy birthday baba Guti. Aiwa wafarirwa kusvika vachema nemufaro. Saka kuratidza full video muzvionere mega kuti aiwa zvafadza, aiwa zvadadisa. Ndongoti makorokoto kuna baba Guti nekusvitsa 100 years. Zvionere video.
Coming down, down, down. Coming down, down, down. The glory of the Lord is coming down. When the saints begin to pray for the Lord to have his way, and the glory of the Lord is coming.
Okay. He's a legend, yes. Yeah. Man of God.
Yeah. Our time has come. I've come here special, nothing else but to bless, to call the blessing of the Lord. My prayer that I always really worried, I pray especially about the young people. Some of them, they are losing their mind because of the internet. That's my cry, that young people, the internet are destroying them. Sometimes you find they blank, the mind become a blank. I forgot, because of. So my prayer that the young people need more the word of God, so they can be able. It is the word of God that help to resist other things. And when you are busy in the things of God, you find other things will get away from you. But that's my prayer, because it is young people should be filled with the word of God and get up from those long, ugly pictures that cause people your head blank. I forgot. Sorry, I forgot, because of those internet. So my prayer that young people should be busy in the things of God, and God will bless them. Thank you.